So I don't want to go in too heavy. Because I want to see if it actually bounces. And then we can get this rip. So maybe like 80.
JD Vance says we will use all available tools to prevent Iran from acquiring a nuclear weapon.
See, now I'm live on YT. Very frustrating. What's up, Dex? We okay? We chilling?
US is to sell $89 billion in 3-month bills on March 30th, settle on April 2nd. And they'd sell $77 billion in 6-month bills March 30th, settle on April 2nd.
I wish I would in a little more.
Still waiting on the Kansas City data to come through.
Ooh, that's coming up. Okay, so that's pretty big. Ooh, right now. 11 o'clock. Still didn't hit yet. Very nice, Dexter. What's up, gangster?
Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Index composite at 11, higher than the forecast of 3. So City Fed composite coming in at 11, higher than the forecast of 3. Secretary Rubio says we're well on our way to destroying Iran missile capability.
Yeah, I wanted to get in more. I'm actually thinking if we should try to hold it for the up highs, because this was a perfect break of the OG fair value gap. Nice, Mrs. Powers. Very good. All right, we got a little bit of denial here.
Manufacturing 11.
But I don't want to go against my rockets.
Manufacturing both coming in at 11.
Yeah, I'm long. Can you hear me? Jeremiah? I don't know. I'm trying to debate that where it's going to go. We can either go to 185s, or we can break these highs. I'm undecided yet. I'm undecided yet.
Just adds that we will destroy the Iranian Navy, and that is happening now, if it hasn't already.
Trump's still kind of talking, so I really wanted to go in a little bit more than this, but it didn't give me an opportunity. Just ripped. Nice. Nice, Dexter. Yeah, I'm thinking it might want to break up. But one should be pretty good for that uproar. Oh, I got a free Discord in the bio if you want. And there's a beginner's no knowledge section. You can watch all those videos there. It's going to take you a while, so don't think you're going to learn it in overnight. You know, it's going to take you a good month. And then once you have like all your basics, then you can really start to pick which style you want. You know, our style is more of a...
Daddy? Is that you?
Depends on how it is. We'll do continuation styles, or we can actually do reversals, or what we call soul grabbers.
Witkoff says Iranians insisted they had the right to enrich uranium. That's U.S. envoy Witkoff.
PWP, kill shot. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I went to the TikTok agent. I was like, bro, I had 50,000 likes yesterday. I think you guys gave me over 30 gifts, and I didn't get one follower.
Witkoff
I said,
says
fix
Iranians
me
repeatedly rebuffed
from
U.S.
God.
request to talks. Again, Iranians repeatedly rebuffed U.S. request in discussions.
Yeah, hit those likes. Give me like at least 1,000.
Witkoff adds that Iranians were stalling in discussions.
All right, so we're going right off that fair value guy. I'm gonna do one more now. I don't want to chase it too much. I'm in 3. I guess I would really want 2477s.
Witkoff says we have presented 15-point action plan list to the Iranians. Witkoff adds that forms a framework for a peace deal.
Iranians are stalling in talks. Iranians repeatedly rebuffed U.S. requested talks. It's very confusing because, you know, you got...
Witkoff says that we will see where things lead.
Very confusing.
Also says that we will see what they.
I
where
must
things
have better
lead, and
fills
we
on my
can
other
convince
accounts.
Iran there are no other good alternatives. We will try to convince Iran this is an inflection point. We have
Some
strong
of them are a
signs
little bit
that this
better.
is a possibility. Witkoff says that Pakistan is mediator for Iran framework. Witkoff says that Iran is looking for an off-ramp.
Bro, it might be like molasses, right? Did I spell molasses right? Alright. This might actually come down to like 77s. Reject and then go up. Maybe I got in a little premature. Maybe I got a little excited. I still think we're good. Say something good. Literally took out these lows, right? Like, damn, I gotta fix this. I hate that it's up
says
here.
Operation Epic Fury is not an endless war.
Okay. So, ooh, actually, looking at the RSI, that's actually not the greatest because we got a low here, and then it made another low here. Not divergent. I do not like that. I do not like that. If we go to the 5-minute, we are divergent. That would be like the longer play. Hey, Kyle, what's up, man? Share responsibility on live. Confirm sources before sharing, engaging with content. Warning. fuck does that mean? I don't know. On TikTok live, it says share responsibly on live. Confirm sources before sharing and engaging with content. And it's a warning sign. What does it mean?
Basically means TikTok is telling you to be careful about information you see or share during live streams. They're encouraging you to double check if things are true before spreading them. Help prevent the spread of misinformation. Does that make sense?
Don't tell me it's been listening to the Trump. You think that's what it is? Anxiety music. Yep. Yo, maybe.
Democrat senators criticize administration easing Iran oil sanctions. Again, that's Democrat senators criticize the administration easing Iran oil sanctions.
It's the only reason. It's the only thing I can think of. They have a biased outlook on whatever he says. Crazy. This should have been our fucking entry right here a little better. Democrats, senators criticize the administration easing Iran's oil sanctions. Bro, oil's always like $200 with them. They can't say nothing.
Red Dragon. Hola, sword. Welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I'm getting a warning. You see the warning? Ah, man. So sensitive. The only thing I can think of is Trump was just speaking. They don't like Trump. TikTok. I must be still available because I'm still going up in views. Never had that one though, right?
Hegseth says Pentagon will keep negotiating with bombs.
I mean, we need the news.
It's to repeat what Hegseth has said before.
Yeah, news is really stalling this. I need him to say something really bullish. Hit him on, baby! I like to say that these are bullish. Every time I see this, it goes bullish. But somebody could argue with me that these are bearish at the same time. Go a little lower. It's like every time I see this, though, it rips to the moon. Like, it'll come down and then rip. And then you never know where the bottom is.
Fitbit's
Like this.
4-week bills 895 spot $4 million.
Yeah, he's. The only time it's bearish is when it breaks down with volume, and next candle is bear too. I kind of agree with that, but I don't know what recently it just I just don't look at this pattern for a bear. I don't know why it's not like that. The problem is like you don't know where this bottom trend line is. Like I can easily go like this, and now we're still in it. Wow, I only got $94 to go, guys, for my unlimited giveaways for Lucid. Unlimited giveaways on Lucid, only $94 away. I'm very proud, Ming. I'm very proud. I also just took a $4,000 payout last night. Posted in Discord for proof. A lot of buyers here, bull. They might, yeah. Fuck. With the X of death. Fuck you. Let's see. If this can't hold, I won't like it at all. But we're about to find out right now. We about to find out, baby. Where is the ore blow here? 65. Yeah, I don't want to go too much lower than I mean, it can go lower. I don't want to close below that though. What do you mean for the short side or up? 68. Yeah, 68 would be a good area too. We'll see. Got too excited getting in up here. Very good, man. Very good, man. What's 2388? Was it like a really big low from a couple days ago? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're still good. I don't like that it went below this, but all right, I'm going in 2 more. Got my bully block here. It's starting to show some bullishness. You got your hammer. A lot of wicks with a hammer, and then it's starting to look like it wants to rip up. I'd rob Mr. Bassett. We could be wrong, so just be fair. If we're wrong, we have to get out of this. We really need it to start breaking up 110. We could get past like 110, 115. Then we could probably get some real momentum to this. But it's really got to go.
10 minutes ago until we get the US 4-week bill auction. Prior high yield of 3.615%. Private cover of 3.12.
It looks good.
US
It looks
is
good.
looking to sell $85 billion of 4-week bills.
Come on, get your ass through there. Minimally, this can go to 98s. Should be 100. Let's see if it wants to keep going, though. I do have the X of Death there. The news did fucking stall the shit out of this. Moon it, baby. Trump! Free universal health care! Cadillac! Everything is free. He didn't really say that. But you know what? Free gold for everybody. That would actually, long run, it would pump us, and then we would actually suffer tremendously. That would never be good. Free money is not always good, guys. Hit that 50. Let's go. Come on, blast through it. The top mag 7 is fighting to become bullish. It is really going back and forth. Nvidia green. This is the last 5 minutes. Back to fucking gray here. Move my arms, make sure they know I'm alive. You know you got to pump it up. You know you got to pump it up. I'm alive, TikTok. I'm alive. You're the best, TikTok. I'm alive. I'm alive, TikTok. Man, rip up past this. Here we go. Just go up. They playing, right? No sound on YT. You can't hear my voice? Or... Okay. I don't know what's wrong with it. I can't play music over there though. If I play music over there, they're mean to me. What the hell? Where's the ore blow? Where is it? What is the 0 line, right? Probably. No, ore blow. Did one of you guys just... Or is that something else? Something?
FOAM is going to be at the US 4-week bill auction. Price high yield of 3.615%. Price bid cover of 3.12.
Oh, BK, is this old or new? This is the old or new account? Amount requested. Oh, so you're under an old one, right? That's why. Yeah, they're still transitioning. I had to wait a long time last time too. But I cracked all my old counts on accident, so now I'm working on my new ones. But it did take me like, what was it, like 8 days. 8 days it took them to fucking approve my shit. But they sent it. They sent it.
Daddy? Is that you?
Ooh, ooh.
Opus, welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Just make sure that the money's in there just in case they mess with you. The new accounts, I can't confirm because I personally have it, but what I'm seeing online, it's almost like within the hour you're getting approved of your payout for Apex. You guys think up or down? Up or down? Ugh, don't say that to me. Don't hurt my feelings. Don't hurt my feelings. What makes you think that it's gonna drop? Game Time says he's buying. I don't know. Sometimes Mr. Bastard gets those fucking big ass spikes. I'm like, fuck. Daily says up. Game Time says up. Sticky Deals is sorry, brother. Dumping shit. Ah, man. We're still good. We're still good. I just don't, we got to see what happens in this area. If we get past anywhere near, let's say, like 125, like, this thing is mooning. Mooning.
Surely expecting the 4-week bill auction data.
Oh, don't do it. Just go up. Actually, my personal opinion, this can go either fucking or right at this moment. Either or at this moment. We can get a bounce around here, that'd be cool. Woo! I mean, that 24K might be a fucking magnet too, you know? Believe in. Believe in. Let's see, man. If we can get a bounce around here, that would be fantastic. See what Mr. Dad said. Dude, why am I lagging on fucking melt? Oh boy, see, I got fucking distracted.
US 4-week bill auction, the high yield of 3.62%.
It's got to turn around here, or else I'm done.
US selling $85 billion in 4-week bills.
Fuck you, bro. Yeah, you might be right.
And awards 90.89% of bids at high.
Fuck me. I might have to close this. This is so stupid. Let's see what this is on right at the 78%. If it starts closing below here, we have to call it a loss. No, not buy, sorry. Be a sell. Sell. Ah, trucking. You're sizing too high, brother. Daily, wow. You'll never repeat mine. No.
US Treasury Secretary
I think I'm gonna
says
get
we will
sniped.
overcome what Iran
I want to
thinks
go
is
just a
true
little bit
threat.
lower, just in case it sweeps, because it could still be good. I don't want to go too low though, but
Israel military says in recent days the 162nd Division was deployed to southern Lebanon to take part in ground operations. Besson says energy prices and inflation will be low with absolute security.
let's see. I'm only down. I would be down 280 if I lose this. It has been hard trucking with Tyler. Every time Trump talks, it's just like you just say in your head, like, "What are you doing, man?"
Besson says oil market is well supplied.
But we're holding 78 on this higher swing, so maybe we can get
Besson
lucky
says
here.
the US doesn't believe choke point exists in Hormuz Strait. Again, Besson says the US doesn't believe choke point exists in Hormuz Strait.
He's saying he doesn't believe it's real. That's pretty bullish.
Besson says we're starting to see more movement in the Gulf.
You guys know that, right? That's pretty fucking
This is the
bullish.
beginning.
They're saying that they're bluffing. We needed to rip up past this 61, though.
Besson says that I'm confident shipping traffic will continue to rise even before we secure the strait.
So we hold the 78%. We're now bouncing the 61 with the 50%. Hopefully keep saying good news.
Besson says the US dollar has reasserted itself as a safe haven.
Very good.
Besson says dollar appreciated and capital is flowing in.
Very good. All good news. Ooh. Easter stale. Let's see how much that costs. $1,500.
German 10-year bonds extend decline, yield rising 10 basis points to about 3.06%.
Needs to rip through this. So what I did here is I took this low, brought it up to this micro swing high, and you can see that it went right into the 78% and started bouncing and ripping. And then if you listen to the news, they've been saying they're basically saying that they think the oil crisis over there, Iran, that they actually didn't put mines. They're calling their bluff. And they said that they see traffic coming in and out. Pretty bullish.
Trump asked about diverting weapons from Ukraine to the Middle East, says the US diverts weapons all the time.
Trump is still fucking speaking, guys. He is not shutting up. Say something good. The U.S. Treasury Secretary is saying good stuff. Trump is blabbing. I'm lagging over here. Shouldn't. This PA makes you hate yourself? We can do it! He needs to blast through this, like, seriously. 91s? You can do it! Is everybody holding their breath? Is that why you guys aren't talking to me? Fucker. Ah! You're stuck here? You got it, bro. It's gonna go up. Going up. Ooh, 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 ooh. I mean, at this point, I'm thinking up. That's so many weird ways. You
Trump
just
is
don't know
suspending
what this
gasoline
is.
tax. Says some people should do that. I have thought about suspending federal gasoline tax.
Whoa. Bullish? 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 To the moon? He said about something about taxing Fed, like he like pausing it, kind of. Pause on gas tax. Woo! If that's not fucking moon news, then what the fuck is there? Why are you saying some people should do that? Wouldn't he be doing it? Or no?
Trump on gasoline tax says it's something we have in our pocket.
Yeah, I don't know if he could do that or not, or his state. Maybe that's why he meant some people should. Get your ass up there, you motherfucker. Get up your ass up there. Get up there, you little bitch. Get your ass up there. Look at the 5. I mean, this whole thing is there's a lot of different ways here. There's a lot of room to go either or. Because we still never like really filled that huge humongous move up. But it looks like it's gonna take its time to do it. Billie Jean. I'm not playing child support. La, la, la. What the hell? I might have to restart my stream after this. I can't do what I did yesterday. I tried to get it back into FYP yesterday, and I mean, I made literally fucking $6,000 live yesterday, and it still didn't get pushed out. I messaged TikTok agency. They said they're gonna look into it. They're gonna get back to me, so we'll go from there. But oh, daddy, what was said? Oh, daddy.
Trump asked on new Iran deadline, says, I'll announce it. Very substantial talks going on with Iran.
Let's go. Yes. I meant like long-term daily, like the that Sunday candle. Was it Sunday? You know, it just kept ripping. Or Monday, whatever the fuck it was.
Trump says that Iran gave the US 8 boats of oil. Trump, on his gift from Iran, says 8 boats of oil were allowed to sail. He's keeping an eye on
I
oil.
can't move it yet.
A little bit of movement towards the downside.
Can he the down at 1800? Oh, did it hit that? Did it hit that? I don't know where to put this yet. I could always
Voice news disconnected.
take out one. But I think we're good to keep going a little bit, no? I mean, it did reject my bully block completely. And it might bounce back down to 71s and then rip up. But we got our 50% here. I just feel like I want to get out just one more risk. I think it might fall. Good luck, Mrs. Powers. I'm gonna tell her to bring. So we're in 2. We limit our risk, right? I think I played it out pretty well. I basically said any further lower than this, and we're just gonna get the fuck out. Now I gotta figure out what the fuck does this want to do. It's bullish still. Nuts up brass. That's because daddy's getting payouts, you know? You get payouts, your balls start to hang and drag on the treadmill. Right now, the calluses underneath my, wow, am I really talking like that? I'm sorry. You guys get it. You get it. You understand. Maverick says it wants to chop around. That might have been all
around
at
in
once.
10 minutes' time, Bank of England's Taylor and Bank of Canada's Rogers are due to speak. So Bank of England's Taylor, no text.
Trump is saying.
Excuse me, text is to be expected. Speaking at the 10th anniversary macro conference.
Trump is saying that 10 tankers went in, and they're fine.
So running for Bank of England's Taylor said text is to be released at 4 p.m. UK time or 12 p.m. Eastern, and then later on at 5 past 7 p.m. UK time, then he's going to be at the macro conference.
Guys, I'm gonna restart TikTok really quick. Literally, I'm just gonna turn it off, turn it on again. Okay, come right back. And if you can, just give me like 100 likes when you come back. Daily, just follow, brother. I'll be right back. Literally, come back in 15 seconds.
Trump says Iran shouldn't be able to charge for Hormuz passage. Adds up, but they're doing it. So Iran shouldn't be able to charge toll through the strait, but they're doing it.
I feel like meld just slows my computer down. I don't know what else to say. If it was going to go, it would, you think. I think you should add. I'm in, baby. I'm in, dad. I'm in, dad.
Iran dropped any mines.
Break even. Now, where do you guys think this can go?
Trump had said there could be a few mines in the Hormuz. And that's a lot.
Well, all right. Careful. I don't know. Trump's speaking, anything can really happen. I mean, we're at 158, right? That's the orb high. 131, you're saying? I think if we break 131, we're probably moving. Probably rocketing, to be honest with you.
France Armed Forces chief held video conference call with 35 nations from all continents
184.
over ways to reopen Strait of Hormuz. According to
We're going to see
French
about his
defense
VWAP. To be honest with you, it seems like... Let me get up to 30 seconds. We're going to see. Yeah. It definitely needs to break that.
Trump on Iran and Hormuz says, I have a feeling he'll be cleaned up quickly.
We do got another
Trump says taking
Soul
control of
Collector.
Iran oil is an option.
Come on. I can't lose the trade. But I can't put it too close either. I feel like I'm gonna get wicked the fuck out. And then it's gonna rip. I mean, we're just below the 61. Damn. Ah! Let's see what happens here. If I get another entry, I'm gonna be scalping this shit because it's yeah, I fucking knew it. Probably gonna play games. On the bigger pullback, this is the 50%. Look at it, look at it. Watch it rip up. We're gonna have to start scalping this though.
Turkey sold or swapped 58 tons of gold in 2 weeks to March 20th. Turkey gold swaps and sales worth about $8 billion over 2 weeks.
I feel like one dog wants to go on the treadmill with me.
Trump says Gulf allies probably like us to stay. So again, Gulf allies would like for us to stay.
I don't want him to make me fall. Did you took the short? Man, good
Trump
for you.
says if the US doesn't stay at war, then we will still protect the Gulf. So again, if the US doesn't stay at war, we will still protect the Gulf.
Bullish. Fuck me.
According
Going
to
in.
sources, idle Russia's UST Luga oil products at terminal may force major refineries to cut runs.
Scalping those guys. I'm gonna be scalping these.
Iranian embassy in Spain says Spain is committed to international law and Iran is receptive to any requests from Madrid regarding the Strait of Hormuz.
Scalping this on this news base, my entry. He said we will
French
still
Defense
protect the
Ministry
Gulf.
says the objective of the video conference is to see how to restart navigation in the Strait of Hormuz once combat ends.
They have to protect the Gulf. You know why? Because of that fucking. Hey, that money. Come on, man. Why'd I do that? I should have waited. It's okay though. I still think that was pretty bullish news. Again, guys, I'm gonna be scalping here and there until this guy stops talking. This is good. We've seen this many times recently. Orange candle while it's going up.
First quarter 2026 deliveries estimate of 365,645.
Longs are good, you think? What are you seeing? A level? I'm gonna go to the 30-second chart. Buy now. You
Trump
buy now.
Says I'm the opposite of desperate. We have targets we want to hit before we leave.
Well, then do it. What are you waiting for? I mean, I know I'm gonna go in one more.
So regards
Two
to
more.
Tesla's total deliveries then compared to Q4 2025, Q4 was at 418,227,
Hold on.
and Q1 2026 seen at 365,645.
It's
Seeing
bullish, no?
US mortgage rates jumped 6.38% as the war rattled
That's
the
not
housing
bullish.
market. So 30-year fixed mortgage rate coming in at 6.38% as of March 26th. 15-year fixed mortgage rate averaged 5.75%.
This looks
as of
beautiful
March
to go up,
26th.
though. I don't want to go in too
So
heavy,
regards to 30-year, averaged 6.38%
but
March 26th, high
this looks
since
pretty.
September 4th, 2025 week, versus 6.22% the prior week.
I want to do 2, and then we'll see if we get up higher.
Trump says we have a coalition formed to protect vessels.
I have to go to the 30-second chart. I can't get the read on the higher time frame of 1 minute. 6 is heavy. Yeah, that's it. Six is heavy. But it says bullishness to me to at least 102s. And then we'll see if it wants to come up a little bit higher. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I got YT, the green app, Pick, and the purple app. I'm working on the quality of it. I changed to a different streaming platform, but I don't know if I like it. It's pulling like massive amount of power from my computer, and I got a
Bank of England
fucking
statement
expensive
says
computer.
growth inflation trade-off now more acute.
I'm also on Discord too. I'm streaming on Discord.
Bank of England publishes a speech then given by Taylor in New York. Again, growth inflation trade-off now more acute. Taylor says current energy shock looks more like 2011 than 2022 in terms of magnitude.
Oh God. Costco computers are not expensive. Actually, they are.
Taylor says,
all right. Oh shit! Come on. They're very expensive. Actually, I saw a Costco computer like a couple months ago. I was like, holy shit.
Voice news disconnected.
I said, this got a fucking NVIDIA 40 whatever or 5020 graphics card with 32 gigabytes of memory. I was like, dude, it was like $900. I'm like, this is actually pretty steal. Bro, this looked really good to come up to the 50%. Now I'm worried it won't want to come down here. Let's see. See, went in too fucking heavy. Fucking misses my shit by like a centimeter. Come on, break this and we Gucci. 87s. Costco's everywhere, bro. Costco here is so packed, you don't even want to go in now. There you go. Okay, it's still looking good. I just don't want it to coming down. So yeah, it's pretty close. Man, this looked really beautiful. You got other countries speaking now too. You got the UK. There's just a lot going on. All right, I'm gonna move my TP just a little bit down because it adjusted. 24.99s, and then we'll see if it wants to keep going, and then we can get that pop. Fucking bitch, bro. You're such a bitch. Very annoying. Yeah. Trying to debate if it wants it or not. See if it's manipulating or not. Okay, dog. Suck my dick. I didn't give a fuck. Get out of here. I'm not here for the fucking little pussies like that. Fight me. How about that? Sorry, let me come back to reality. What is your indicator? Which changes the color depending on fair value gap? No, this doesn't change color on fair value gap. This goes off of price action and like momentum. Like, what a pussy. Fucking fight me. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Unknown. Any lower, though, I think I gotta close it. I think I gotta close this. My only fucking issue is that I see so many zones here that could be taken. If we come profitable on this trade, I think we should probably wait a second because it just doesn't make sense what the fuck it's doing. I'm sorry, I don't trust you. But I do see what you're saying, if that's what you mean. This is why we can't grow. Sorry, I'm back to reality. Oh my god, bro. This should hit the 50%. 98, 97. But I will be selling if it breaks this higher low. Like, it just isn't right. The reason why I'm holding a tad bit longer is, like, you keep seeing that it manipulates a tiny bit further and then rips. So it's confusing me. Definitely confusing me. And I got to size down too. Because it is doing that, right? Because eventually it will wipe me out. Hopefully not now. Hopefully I didn't jinx myself there, but we are in an area of resistance. I still think it wants 50%. It doesn't make sense to just fall here. You think it might hit the up now, Johnny? Oh, my fucking news. There's so many people talking right now. Trump, the request to the UK for the help was a test. Oh shit. I mean, he could. You think I would be a seller here? Why do you think that? Because a continuation down? It could. That's my issue. We're trying to figure it out,
Bank
Walter.
Minister says low risk of inflation becoming unanchored.
See, we're getting a fucking resistance here. Fuck you. Fuck you. Let's see what happens. 78%. This is going down. No? Let's see. It's been the bigger picture. That's what's the problem. So we have room down to 68. I'm going to close this and sell. Watch it rip up. I'm going to snap. But it only makes sense to go down now. It's just not holding. BB. Oh my god. Alright, we'll see if we can get a buy here. See, I don't know if Vivi is the cowboy or she's getting confused. Like, I want her to call me cowboy. Which one is it? Alright, we do get a buy signal in a 30-second, but I wanted to come down first. It's gonna
In an
fucking rip
interview
up.
with The Economist, ECB's President Lagarde says we're facing a real shock.
Gonna rip up. But it's gonna be hard to pick an area of PP on this. Let's see if it pulls back. If we can get a pullback, I think I'm gonna long it. I needed to fucking pull back first though. Can't chase this up.
Lagarde says shock is probably beyond what we can imagine right now.
Should I stay or should I go? Should I go now? Also, remember, I'm on like no sleep. So if I start cursing at you, I'm sorry. Well, I'm not sorry with that fucking piece of shit I just kicked out. He can suck it. So this looks like a nice fucking area.
Trump says, I think it will cost NATO dearly that they didn't help. Lagarde says markets are maybe ECB's President Lagarde says markets are maybe overly optimistic. And that concludes comments from Trump.
Damn, I only wanted to do 4. Alright, I'm gonna take out 1 early. Alright, I'm in 4, okay. I missed a 2K drawdown to profit.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
There you go. I got a smile on my face. Come on, back to green, baby.
We have posted the piece from The Economist on the feed for you to read through.
Take 1 out. So we got 2 left, 2 left. I think my shit's broke because I was on the laptop. What do you mean? See how it's like weird. It's acting weird. It's because this fucking guy won't shut the fuck up. Shut up!
East President Lagarde says it might take years to restore Iran war damage.
Oh my god. Shut your damn mouth. Just shut it. Just shut it. Yeah, it is bearish. But it's just like not hitting my marks. Really weird. The 50% do not exist. Are the 30% hitting? I guess so. I feel like we're gonna have to start making like entries on the 1 minute and then take them out on the 30-second. There's our soul collector 30-second chart. Oh, this laptop's rigging you? Why fight the shorts? I'm not fighting. I see opportunities of longing, and you can see it in the chart. It wants to go up, but Trump keeps saying weird, silly stuff. I can't explain it. But we got a soul collector here. Let's see what happens. I want to see it what happens before I even attempt to get out here. Wow.
US stocks extend fall. S&P
Wow, I almost
500
just fell off
now
my
down
treadmill.
1.01%.
What did he say? He's done
Seeing some
talking?
further moves towards the downside on the S&P 500. No headlines to back up the move. Of course, if there is anything,
I'm going back in.
we'll relay it to you.
Make sure I didn't fucking knock my green screen over. I'm getting the fuck out.
See S&P 500 index extending drop to session low, down 1%.
Soul collector again. Now look, I bet you now we got divergence. Now we have divergence, okay? I feel a little better now. Maybe that's what we just didn't have the whole time. Kind of trading like shit today, huh?
Some memory chip stocks extended their losses on Thursday after Google publicized research on a new algorithm that could allow more efficient use of storage needed for AI development.
Hi, Christina. Don't be fooled here. Fucking rip up. Snatch it, yeah. Souls are fucking collected now, baby. Like this needs to go. Hey, Christina, you play any silly shit, you're gonna get smacked. Okay? You're gonna go fucking right in the fucking dungeon. You wanna go to the dungeon? I'm losing my shit. Let's see what you. Who else is a professional trader like me here? Got 30,000 followers. How is that fucking possible? Oh, chill. Okay, I don't know if you're I don't know if you're trying to be shady or not. If you're not being shady, you're more than welcome to stay. Welcome. Come aboard. If not, dungeon time, baby.
Dungeon.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Oh yeah, thank you for the gifts, Victor. BB's back. Yeah. I asked BB last time if they were a cowboy, and now she just calls me cowboy. So I'm like, maybe he or she isn't cowboy. Damn, right to the 50%. When am I gonna learn my lesson, guys? You got a lot of students, you know? Of course I do.
Thank you, Daily. I took my regular voice off. That's hilarious that you said it like that. That made me giggle inside. You might be dropping again, you think, Johnny? Fuck. Maybe I am fighting the shorts. Who said that before? Maybe I should just be looking for shorts. I don't think so. Daddy's usually right. Trump's done talking. Let's see. We'll see. Walter. We're going to see. Could be right. 24K is right there.
So to keep
Yeah,
an eye on gold,
Christina.
since, I've heard the
This
movement
is
of
what I
Trump
felt
rocket.
like you're going to go in the
Gold
dungeon.
is declining as Trump threatens Iran with
I feel like you're going to
military
go in the
escalation.
dungeon.
Gold retreated as Trump threatened Iran with intensified military action after Tehran rejected a push for peace talks, signaling that there will be no swift end to the near month-long war.
FOMO trading? Are you telling me that, Unknown? Better be nice. So I'll fucking put you in there too. What's gold doing? I don't want to change it. I want to make sure, I want to see what happens here, because I don't want to fuck it up too bad. They're getting spanked today. He can get in the dungeon as well. Right, Sick Rips? Brock Lesnar. Okay, so BV. Don't know if it's cowboy or not. We should like make a bet. Look at how the denials on these soul collectors are insane. Yeah, if it fucking sticks. I don't know if it's gonna stick, man. Kinda weird. Alright, there we go. Come on. Going in one more. Let's get out fucking most of this. I don't care. It's so irritating that I don't want to fucking hold it long term anymore. You don't think it's cowboy, right? I'm starting to think so not either. He would have said the real magic word. Yogurt says gold is plummeting. As soon as I get off this, I need mental help. Do you have that? Do you provide mental stabilization?
Daddy, is that you? I owe not. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy,
Voice
chill.
news disconnected.
And I didn't mean the other way. I meant like crazy. Yeah, I want to take out these two, and then we're gonna talk about it. Come on, man. It won't stop with the 50%. Am I crazy? Time her out. Or maybe she's trying to say she reminds me of them and she can't stop falling in love. Why are you catching a falling light? Because I'm an asshole. And I keep getting I'm getting indications of it going up, guys. I'm not just fucking randomly getting in. Ah! You should say the Undertaker, but like your spelling is very terrible. Oh yeah, Christina, you're getting the fucking you're getting the boot, or you're getting muted. Indication is not confirmation, my friend. Hey Josh, I think I'm gonna stick it in your mouth too. Muted people often report. I don't care at this point. Josh, go look at my fucking ass! Nah, I'm just joking. I have no I don't got no patience for any of you people. Oh shit, unmuted? I meant to say mute. Or did
US
you do it
oil
already?
is intraday high, trading near $95 a barrel.
Put him in the dungeon. Not gonna lie, you trading. Oh god. See, this is everybody's getting muted. Thank you, Daily. Telling you this wants to shoot up. I don't know why it's acting like this. It's acting real funky. Did we hit 24K yet? Right there. Yeah, that's exactly how it is, Victors. And thank you. What is it at, Dad? The 4-hour block. Yeah, the 24K is definitely a magnet. And a lot of these people that are saying that why am I trying to catch a knife? They're like semi-correct. I am kind of going against it a little bit. I keep getting indications to the upside, but it keeps denying. So I do need to realize that. I just don't like the way they're saying it to me. Yeah, what is she at? Keep Vivi. She's entertaining me. Oh man, in the dungeon. Any further, I gotta call the quits on this. This sucks. Let me just make sure I look everything up before I call it. It's the 5-minute is definitely, look at the 5-minute, really pushing down. You know, do I want to have this big of a loss? I don't. Let's see how this reacts. I'm gonna have to say, because if the 24K breaks, it usually rips down a little bit further, right? And then it can come back up. But I don't want to risk holding that. I'd rather just get back in. Yeah. No, it would be lucky if it goes back up. But I'm like, do I just hold it to see if it goes a little bit lower or not? Because that spike down can be ruthless. You think so, Yogurt? That's what I was trying to, I'm gonna get out, I think. I'm out. Watch it rip up. I'll be so pissed off. Turtle trades, I have 5 right now. 5. Look at the 15, watch it rip up. It probably needs to close its entire fair value gap, right? $23,926.
Just a reminder, 12:30, Bank of England's green is also due to
980s.
speak, and no text is expected from Bank of England's green. So she's speaking to Fireside Chat at the PEI Infrastructure Investor Global Summit.
$986. Let me look at gold real quick. Yeah, gold is plummeting. Wow. 1.23. Oil's going up. What? Did I miss something that Trump said? $874, Mr. Dad, you think? Oh, that's the midline, right? All right, here we go. Gold's 3% down? Holy shit. Oh, I didn't want to do 6. Let's even get a bounce here. I didn't want to do 6. I'll take my $21. See what the fuck I'm at here. $950. It looks good, right? Like the long. I'm nervous because I thought it was gonna long like 5 times. And it's not.
Nasdaq 100
Every
index
fucking
extends
time.
decline to 1.6%.
Every time it hasn't done it. Hey, Mr. Dad, Johnny asked you a question. Dad, do you think it's gonna go down there and then bounce up? He says I do. Okay. What's the fill on that This is the fill of that fair I got. Why don't I just fucking retrace this whole thing? I mean, we could take the 50% and just fucking sell it. Because that's what's been happening every time. I'm looking to short at 50% 420. Yeah, I'm kind of like, it's been rejecting that shit every time now. So for what, Finn? On here? MNQ? I mean, it did fucking... Fuck, look at this shit, bro. I'd be so pissed off. Sir George. I mean, that should be a denial. There's that shift. See, I don't want to go against it. Eventually, it's gonna fucking work. I'm just gonna wait. Thanks, gay time for the popular gifts. I appreciate you, bro.
Happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
My man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think I should just, I think I'm gonna wait. I don't want to get too because it's just a 50% back on the smaller swing points. Yeah, not me today. It always happens to me. I take a large payout and then I'll have a bad day the next day. But, you know, I'm not trustworthy of this for sure. It hasn't, so like my rockets haven't hit the 50%. Did it hit the 50% before? It did. No, it didn't. That's what I'm saying. It's very confusing. $50 micros full port. About to do it. I don't want to fucking crack my funded, you know, on one bad day. $6K yesterday. I took the 4K payout yesterday. So what Lucid does now, they combine it when they send it out. That's pretty cool. So once you have more than one payout account and you request two, because I was waiting for like the individual ones, but they actually combined it together. I usually take like, you know, 2K for this one, 2K for that one. And they've been on separate days. This one was all at the same time and it combined it for me. Don't get me wrong, Daddy's up pretty nice for the month. I mean, I'm probably had to be close to 10 G's payouts. It did. I was waiting for this correction. I was. But it took too long. And then I guess maybe I'm just fighting it. I don't know. Hey, baby. See? It doesn't even get to the 50%. Pretty weird. I'm just gonna wait and try to trade my my normal signals, right? And we gotta cut the losses a little bit faster. Yes, there's manipulating, but we can't risk it. This is a good area of scalping, though, I think. But let's wait.
Spot gold extends full, last down 3% now.
I'm gonna go to the 30-second chart. 6 seconds. If it does fill, I have it right at 991s. I'm gonna go a little bit aggressive, but I'm gonna take TP really fast. All right, I'm in. Come on. I can't, won't let me put it there.
Bank of England's green, says the Bank of England must weigh inflation risks with demand risks.
Bro, what the fuck, man? Come on. Stop loss down here. There we go. Daddy's gonna be a little bit aggressive. I'm trying to do some balance plays here. So that was a 61%, so we have to be careful.
Daddy, chill.
Come on, come on. This is wildly just wants to keep going down. Oh, fuck. I'm on 6. Fuck. Please be right.
Voice news disconnected.
Collapse like you always do. I don't know. He was saying all bullish stuff. Fuck me. For the one time that it always collapses, it's not going to collapse. Man. I did not mean to do 12, guys. I meant to do fucking 4.
Green says oil shock means supply won't recover until 2027 or 2028.
Hopefully, it's gonna drop more. We're at the 50% like it's been doing, right? If it stops now, then fuck you, market. Fuck you,
Fed bids
market.
of 70 notes total $4.5 billion.
There we go. Drop it to the next one. 958. Let's go. What the 61s. It could actually go there pretty easily, to be honest with you. 0.5 is pretty strong, but 6-1 does usually get there. It looks like it's going to drop pretty bad. Be careful. I am short, yeah. So you can opposite trade me if you want and go long. Come on. We got to see what happens here. It needs to drop down quick, though.
Treasury yields extend climb ahead of 70-node auction.
Oh, dude, we can go to 860s. Sounds crazy, but that's a real possibility here. Come on, fall out the window. Take the elevator. Yeah, it's cracking. It looks like it's going to be violent. Violent downside. Downside. I definitely want one of these, though. We could do this one just in case. That was an accident, too, but it could go really sour. It's... Yeah, but look at that fucking wick. This wants to fall. See it.
10 minutes ago now to get the 70-node auction. Prior high yield of 3.79%. Prior bid cover of 2.5. The US looking to sell
I don't
$44
like that
billion.
wick, though, but let's see how this reacts.
According to JP Morgan strategist in the note on Tuesday, flagging an unsupported macro backdrop, rich valuations and technical headlines, they see the auction as likely requiring more of a concession to be digested smoothly. Latest CFTC positioning data shows speculators were net short 598,000
There you go.
TNM
I knew this.
futures,
This doesn't look
potential source of current demand at the auction.
strong. If he starts wiping this lower low, we Gucci. I'm going to, I want to see if it comes down just a little bit more, and then we'll reduce it. I don't see why it doesn't hit this 63s. Come on. I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm just trying to go probability. Fucking 40-point swings, bruh. What's up, man? Not as great as I would like it. But we're working with it. Minute. Oh my god, look at that 5-minute. This might be long, dude. Ugh! Come on. Having some patience. Watch it do this over and over again today. What, another lower low? Or a third? What do you mean? That's how you finish the day, bro? Yeah, I know. I was just about to be green, too. Come on, man. That 5-minute is what's kind of scaring me. You see how it rejected it very well? Make sure what the fuck I got over here. Not that bad. As long as it chills. As long as it chills. I keep seeing these tempting ass longs and then it just goes back down. Yes, that's what's been happening to me all day. So I'm like, let's just chill. Yeah, it might be just like ladder stepping all the way down. If we can keep this lower high and we make another lower low, it'll be a banging.
Budget committee on April 15th.
You're longing, Mr. Bastard?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Oh yeah, thank you, Daily. In that order block far down 30 minutes, it's a straight buy. I have to get those people out. I still think I can push
Prime
to
is going to
420
visit this
before
70
falling.
node auction. Prior bid cover of 2.5, prior high yield of 3.79.
We've watched this do this over and over again today, though. See if it does it again. We literally watched it do this over and over again all day. Dun, dun, dun. 5 minutes until 1 o'clock. This job's pissing me off. Yeah, me too. Me too, brother.
Voice news disconnected.
Yes, Daily. That's what I'm worried about. I think the odds in our favor now, though, that it keeps doing that. We're failing 24K again, right? Like we failed it again. So probability of it going down is great, but you know how odds are right now. I'm proof of it right now. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Lower high, thick. Time after time. Close it. What happens if it closes, whips down? Black Betty. You see this fucking order block here? It can easily come here and then rip down, and I'm like, fuck. Wait. Black Betty to go down or up, Mr. Bastard? I know what I need. This is when I need her. Shake it for me, girl! Take it, baby! Show them! Show them now! If you were to come now, whoa. If you were to, yeah, fuck it. If you were to come now, we would all appreciate it. It's my time. I'm asking for you now. Drop that
1
booty,
minute
girl.
count to get the money sheet for the 70-note auction.
Show that demon. Show that demon, girl. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Show them your power. Keisha, I choose you! Show them, girl. Show them, girl. Watch, it's gonna spike up like Nico said and then rip down. Come on. You got this, Keisha.
10 seconds.
10 seconds! Keisha! I might need to go right here. If I lose that anyway, I'm pretty much done for the day.
4.247%. 4.247% for the money sheet.
Very good, girl. You go, girl. I had to move this for the news. I don't think it was anything crazy. Come on, girl. Do your powers. I had to move it up in case it wanted to spike. It's about to go down. Come on. Don't do this, Keisha. Please, Keisha. You little fucking bitch.
Bank of England's Green says private credit exposure to the energy industry is a worry.
Get my drawdown for that fucking max shit. Ugh. I think my Apex is, whatever, but I got plenty of fucking money in my Lucid.
So we're now shortly expecting the results for the US 7-year note auction. I'll be leading with the high rate.
We're doing one more short. We're doing one more short. If not, then we'll walk away. I got plenty of room in my Lucid accounts.
High rate of 4.255%, 4.255% compared to the pre-sale when issued yield of 4.247%. Bid to cover of 2.43, 2.43. So the US here selling $44 billion and they are awarding 24.24% of
Come
the
on.
high. Primary dealers are taking 12.
I'm done with the heaviness after this, though.
Direct 25%, indirect 62.56%.
Done with the heaviness after this. Get my Lucids up.
Again, the high yield coming in at 4.255%. When issued yield was 4.247%, which is a tail of 0.8 basis points.
So Apex, I had to turn off. I'm about to get spanked on that for their 1K drawdown. Lucid, I got a lot of money in there, so let's see what happens. I want to see how I hit the 50. Get out 12. Because he's my dad, Johnny. Not in real life, but. Yeah, I'm getting the fake outs and it's getting me, that's all. Yeah, mine's actually red still. He helps me. He helps me control my emotions. Let's go. Let's sell this shit.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Oh yeah, thank you for the freestyle. Fucking Keisha's late to the damn show. You know it's gonna plummet now, right? Nico was right.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Dude.
They say money can't buy
Yum
happiness.
yum cake, yum yum.
Smile on my face.
I don't want to get knocked out, man. I want some money. Thanks for the gifts, bro. Damn, man. I can't get the momentum, guys. There's just... They won't fucking choose a direction for me. It won't choose a fucking direction for me. It's missing our marks, Mr. Dad, by like fucking 2 points, man. Every time. Every time. That's why I said I think I'm gonna take like a 1 minute entry and a 30-second fucking short. It's okay. Can't win them all, right? Can't win them all. I mean, you got a really nice head and shoulders here, too. Left. Middle. Head. Right. Whatever the fuck this is. We don't know where this is, but this is forming a higher low. I want to go 6. What, you longed at 86, bastard? I need it to come down to that area, and I'll get in. Sorry, guys. That fucking, I should have took fucking PP at the fucking break even. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Why why I got calluses on the bottom of my private. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. I know, Nico. Like I gotten so many long signals, and then they fail like 30. It's not even like a 50% retrace on the small swings. It's 30%, and then when we try to switch our bias to short, it fucking longs. So definitely market manipulation. Like I want to short this. We're denying it. Right? Denial off the order block. The our 1 minute cookie here. And then watch it shoot up. I just want to scalp it too. I don't even want anything crazy. GCNQ was doing the same, both going down, and now GC is going up some. But if it doesn't pass 4,400, it might drop again. So can you validate it? Because NQ might follow suit. Yes. Let me hold on a second.
So we're seeing a text release here from Bank of Canada's Senior Deputy Governor Rogers. It says the Bank of Canada will have a tough job dealing with the structural changes to the economy.
Let's see.
Trade
If it
tensions,
breaks down,
reduced
then it's
immigration
wrong.
levels, and AI adoption will permanently alter the landscape. Canadians may face a lot of economic upheaval in the next 5 years.
If
The
this
bank is
fails
expecting
and
a
breaks
more
this low, we're going
variable
to have what
inflation
we
environment.
originally thought, I
The
think.
immigration levels mean less potential for the economy to grow. This poses a challenge. The bank will assess the economy carefully, trying to separate cyclical
It's
from
probably
structural
accumulating there,
impacts.
Nico, for sure.
Bank of Canada's Rogers reiterates that the bank expects the recent rise in energy
The
prices
discount
will
price.
push up inflation in the near term. It says we need to guard against higher energy prices, triggering an ongoing and persistent inflation environment. Bank forecast suggests that the Canadian labour
X
force
of
will
death.
see almost no growth over the next few years. So again,
No
that's a text
growth.
release from Bank of
Bearish.
Canada's Senior Deputy Governor Rogers, just about 15 minutes before her event.
Well, that's for Canada. But if Canada is slowing down too much, we also feel the wrath of that too, right? Look, I just don't want to switch. What did you say? 4,400? Oh, look at that. See, a little bit below it, and it denies. Oil's ripping up. Yeah, but don't they, like, once they start slowing down too much, we start to feel a little bit of it? Because, like, it's just showing signs. I kind of want this to fucking crack. I don't want this head and shoulders to go. Now what? Oh, really? I didn't know that. It sounds bearish to me. Because they're saying they're going to struggle for the next few years. But if we're struggling on top of them struggling, I feel it's like a double whammy, you know? Oh, don't you do this. Uh-oh. I'm going long. Going in a little heavy, yes. Going long. If this drops, then I'm pretty confused. So I got the green light to go up. And if we break this, you know that we're mooning, correct? And we're going to make $10,000. Come on, give me a break. You're giving me 10 different signs. We're still good. You hope I'm right? I don't know if I'm right. That's what sucks. I want to get this out of the way just so I can see a little better. Can't fucking do it though. I would say if it starts closing below 971s, we're probably wrong. It needs to close though. Fuck you, bro. What the fuck? Failure. Didn't close yet. Crazy talk. Look, right to my fucking original mark. Ugh! Thank you. Yeah. This is confusing. This is what I originally fucking wanted. And I went long again, guys. I went long again. Still holding. Oh no, it didn't hold that line. Fuck me. We're at that 78% pullback. What the fuck I'm at here? Come on. Even though this is completely failed and manipulated. Higher lows. 5 minutes. Higher lows. 15-minute. Nothing. It's still bearish. 800s? I just needed to fucking rip. I mean, right now, this is a failed Head and Shoulders. Even if it comes up to here, I'm getting out a lot because I'm not buying it. Right in that fair value gap. It's very confusing. I'm very confused. You got this lowers. Not reading it right. Anybody else reading it better? Or they're just being patient? You with me? Who's coming with? I mean, it pushed it a couple times though, right? And failed. So I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna go to 24 or K again. You think it will? It seems like it's fucking failing short every fucking time. Do they have an algo you think that does like 40%? Do you think they turn an algo on that does 40%? I don't know what else to say. This is crazy. Crazy. I'm nervous it's gonna plummet. 0.38, but that's, I mean, like literally it looks like 40%. So I don't know if it's the 30. It's not the 38. It's going past it. Or no, is it? Let me see. I mean, that's a possibility, but like I'm going off of small swings, right? That's what's throwing me off. These are small swings. Should hit the 50. Should hit the 50. But the way that it's getting denied there, maybe it is. Maybe they did turn the fib on for the fucking small swings today. 4 bottom. Yeah, it's fucking ridiculous though. Hit the 78s and the 61 here. Next step is down here. And that's when I fucking put that 12. You know, I would have been up so much money right now if I was able to hold this. Yeah, it's going to be one or the other. No in between. And I think I got to close this. Going to Dum Dum, and then that's it. Last call for alcohol. And then we're closing it. Yeah, I did 16. It's okay. This bottom shouldn't hold. If it was the perfect fucking trading world, though, this should not hold. It's not holding the upside, so the downside should be ripping down. The only logic I can think of right now. If it doesn't work, then I suck ball sack for a living. We actually should go to 78s, but we'll do one over there. See how many steps I got. Almost 10,000. No news coming out either. It's just retracing. And then guess what? This is that fib line that I just the fair value gap fill is down here at 926. I know, daily I should, but guess what? I'm not. We're gonna see how it reacts. It should dump a little bit. It's at least the midline here. It's not like I'm far fetching this. It should hit this. Should, I'm saying should. And it is wicking a little bit. There you go. Okay. This is the fill line. Fair value gap 925s. That fills the whole thing of that huge uproar from what day was that on? Whatever this day was, on Monday. Remember that huge fuck? Like, well, everybody was like, "What the hell?" So we're about to fill the entire thing of that fair value gap. What happens after though? I don't know.
They say money can't buy happiness.
I
Look at the
think
fucking
it
smile
counts
on my
today
face.
as 3. Don't I get confused every fucking time, Dad. Look at your calendar. Count your calendar instead. Cause I do the same shit, and I'm like, I don't know why. I feel like it counts. I feel like it's already counting today. I don't know. Because I thought it doesn't count unless you have over the amount of money. So maybe that's what it's doing. I don't know. Okay. But what happens if you don't make the 150? I wonder if it disappears. Monday, day 5. Very nice. Very slow. You're already there. How much you got on it? Dude, you're almost there to max payout. Take it slow. Need fucking $600 and 2 days more. So if you just make $300 each day, and just leave it alone. Because four G's in your pocket's gonna feel real nice. If anybody's doubting me from yesterday, the 24th. 24th was yesterday or 2 days ago. It counts as yesterday because it's not midnight. 2 G's, 2 G's. Yeah, this might knock me out. See. And I'm up a lot of money on these Lucids, so I can go a little bit.
Regard to The Economist earlier said energy disruptions
How long is
made last
approval?
year, and the economic
I think
consequences will
yesterday it was
emerge
like
only gradually.
14 seconds. I actually had to refresh it because I think it went so fast.
So again, that's just a piece from The Economist earlier with an interview with ECB's President Lagarde. We've got this on the feed already.
This could. I want to put it right here. Oh, got me. It wouldn't matter. It would have got me out anyway. Let's see what am my Lucids. Okay, so Lucids, I'm down 600 on each, which is weird because I thought that fucking move was pretty big. No, that wasn't a big win. Looked like a big ass win. No, it takes it out. So what it does is it instantly takes it out and it puts it in a bank. And then you take that bank and you transfer it over and it takes about 1 business day. But it's out of your account. It's your money. It's taken out and put into another bank it's their bank or whatever the fuck it is, but it's out. And then you do transfer. Or you can keep it in there. You can do whatever you want. You can use them like a bank. But it brings you to another if that makes sense. So it's out. It's out instantly. No, it's not Rise. It's like something else. I mean, if you really want to look it up, I can tell you. I think it's called it's like some third party shit. World Work Market. Work Market. I want to short this. When has it gone past 50? Oh, so each prop firm has their own like decision. A lot of people do Rise. I think like Top Step, Take Profit Trader. I think even Apex. It's either Rise or the other one. Lucid's the only one that I've seen use this method, but I don't give a fuck because it's literally taken out instantly. You don't think it's gonna stay down? I wanted to go down a little bit, but I should take it out anyway. But it's at the 50% again. I think some prop firms though are starting to try to do the instant. No, you're good. I've been off. I should take your guys' all advice anyway. I've been off today. Very off. Right now, I'm down 400 on all my Lucids, which I don't give a fuck about that. That's nothing. Apex, 1,000. 50% what of the swing? Okay, so from this high to this low, it has not been playing out the big swings, and that's the 50% mark right here. 975s, right? Now, from this little swing here, which I've been trying to look at, all have failed. I haven't seen one hit 50%. This is the first time I've seen it hit 50%. Now we're at 61%, about to go to 78%. So it's like, what the fuck? What the fuck, man? Yeah. I want to short it again, though. I'm an asshole. Just because the 40% has been failing every time. Should have gone off. Yeah, we all should have gone off. Every time I say it's time for longs, it fucking falls on me. Watch it be the time that goes long. We still didn't close that fair value gap. Yeah, it probably is best to do that. Especially in your situation, Dad. Like, you chill, bro. 40%. But the bigger one said, fuck you. Really? Oh my god. Chill, daddy, chill. I gotta get off soon now. I gotta go back to napping. I need to go home to like 5:30 in the morning. I can't help think this is gonna fall. I am being a very aggressive. See if I can get this money back on Lucid. I do have a lot. Obviously, if I fucking start cracking too much, I'm just gonna walk away. Based off the trend, everything keeps failing. Over and over again.
According to the information, Microsoft freezes hiring in cloud and sales groups.
Bearish! Bearish! Let's start dumping. Let's start dumping. If this moves up, market's rigged. Microsoft freezing on hiring. We are slowing down, baby. No! I don't know. Maybe I go like... Maybe I like get hyper focused. Maybe I should close it. Let's see. That should have been bearish news right there, though. That should have just dropped. You like my comments this morning? Haha. I made most of my money on silver. It was easy to... Oh my god, you trade silver? Is it still moving okay? $9.25. Oh, that would be fucking sweet daddy. That would make me wet and gushy inside. Let's trim 4. Put it in break even. Not even holding. Let's go. Even if I'm losing money, I'm not getting anybody coming in here. Funny. Is it from me? It's gotta be me, maybe. It's not me, it's you, baby. TNT. I'm gonna put it right above this. Still
The
30
chip
seconds
security
left.
bill advances in the House following the super micro case.
Fill my fucking fair value gap like I originally wanted.
So the Chip Security Act awaits consideration by the full House and Senate now. This is following reports, I believe it was last week, a super micro co-founder was tried guilty for smuggling in a case, and now a chip security bill has advanced the House following this.
The 925? 928, daily. I don't know, bro. Eventually, if I'm consistent with my strategy, it comes back. Does that make sense? I don't know if it's a bad thing either, you know? Thank you. I appreciate that comment. This is what I wanted, guys. This whole
US
entire
Secretary of State
time.
Rubio says it is in the G7's interest to help
They
the
say
US
money
get
can't
through
buy
this
happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
Thank you. Thank you for the roses. The way you say it, though, you're like, damn, like, I do get aggressive sometimes, right? I know I'm fucking right, though. I know I'm right. It pisses me off. It's like I want to show the market who's fucking alpha daddy. I'm a little pissed off about my Apex, but if we close now, all my Lucids are positive right now. This is just you know, I could be I'm gonna close this. Kind of want to long
So
it,
keep
but
in mind, Secretary of State Rubio is currently speaking to reporters.
yeah. Wish I held my whole thing. You know, like every time I went short heavy and it wicked me out, I was fucking right the whole time. I can't hold it through those wicks. And they know that. They know that. These market makers been doing it longer than us, been fucking alive. Alive. And you don't suck daily. You're actually, I'm telling you, you're really good, man. You're very fucking close. On days like this, what would be proper? To fucking stop trading if you get like more than 3 wrong. It means it's not working, right? It's not fucking working. I'm just an asshole. I'm thick-headed. You know, this could have turned really bad. I mean, this looks like it wants to go to fuck up, no? Nico, are you in here, Nico? It's getting close to your area. The 1-1. Here it is. Holy shit. Could have had more money. Dude, I've been trading fucking, let's see, 15 years, man. You know, I had my downfalls. I would say I'm getting to that point where I'm fucking really pulling real serious money though. So just gotta stick with it. And to be honest with you, if you just keep watching me and see what I do, you're gonna
Secretary of
cut
State
a lot of
Rubio
your
says the
learning
Strait of
time off.
Hormuz could be opened tomorrow if Iran allows it.
You're gonna cut a lot of learning time off. Nico, there's your 9. No, almost. I want to fucking short it just to get it to his area. Yeah, I'm telling you right now, you cut off a lot of time. Man, do I want to fucking long this just for a little bit? Or am I catching a knife? Probably shouldn't go as heavy too, because alright. Just a little bit. Oh, so I am actually positive on my Lucids. My Apex, I hit the $1,000 drawdown. Sucks because one is funded and the other one's not. Yeah, wow, thank God I took that out early. $874 looks more likely, which is crazy. 874s. I got like 890s, but like 860 is my one extension that I drew. And then on my other one, it's actually 850. So we might get down there. Looks fucking juicy to fall. Go to the 30-second chart. I'm gonna take 4 out. 900s. Let's see. I'm cool with that. Sorry, I had my shit off. Crazy. 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 Dude, what is yo, Trump's talk is not working, is it? This bit him in the ass, man. Yeah, what was your mark again? I'm sorry. 930? No, what'd you say? 874, 874. Let's see, we're about to get there. I kind of like 860s or 850s. That would make me feel better. Yeah. Yeah, this long is gonna be crazy. Let's go to the 15-minute though. Let's see. We need that 875s. Yeah, crazy. I think it rips down again.
The Treasury 3 to 7 year yields rising 10 basis points on the day.
Well, it was wild. Phil. Uh-oh. Come on. They could pull back here, so I'm like trying to be careful. Damn. I was just saying, like, let's get out just a little bit just in case. And it didn't fill me. But it's been doing this and then ripping down, so let's see. Pretty close to your area though, Dad. Holy fuck, this thing's adjusting. This thing is saying, fuck you. There's still some heavy sellers. You can see it. How do you not fill? Oh yeah, this thing is crazy. I would love this come at 860s.
US stocks extend their fall with the Nasdaq now down 2%.
This is crazy. What is it when people start buying it? Is it below 2%? Is that rule? There's some kind of strategy where if it drops a certain amount, people actually just invest in it for the bounce. I think it's 2% or it's 3%. Yeah, and just picture two of my accounts. Two of my accounts are still negative 1,000. %. Is it the 2% rule though? Like where people start saying that's a discount price to jump back in? I think it is. I'm trying to think inside. Okay, 2%ers. Is it daily? Pretty sure that's what it is. Okay. So we're getting pretty close to where we should be bouncing.
The SpaceX IPO could reserve up to 30% for retail investors, according to sources.
Yeah, I stayed on a little bit longer than I wanted to, guys. I have to get off soon. Gotta take a nap. Gotcha. Okay, let's see. But what was said that was so crazy? They must be doing damage control right now because now they're saying Hamas could open tomorrow if Iran allowed it. I don't know what the master plan is here. We're at the fill though, guys. We're filled. That fair value gap is filled. That's what that white line is. Or no, that's the a 15-minute area. Sorry. I think we filled quite a while ago. Gonna take it. Nah, I can't stay on all day. I'm supposed to get off 30 minutes ago. It's gonna take me a minute to adjust to what the fuck I need to do for my schedule at work. Damn, Jordan. Way to punch me in the face, bro. Crazy talk. That is green, right? There's that 1.27. Right here. 1.23, sorry. Yeah, I'm waiting a little bit more. 1.23. 850s. If I get stopped out, that's fine. Daily. It's alright, bro. You should be paper trading at least, just to test out shit. Yep, alright, I'm stopped out. I still think it continues down. What level did you see, Mr. Bastard? I mean, I got the 1.2 extension right here that I drew personally. And look at it, it fucking held. Dude, I really want to short this really quick. Should be a sympathy pullback. If I'm wrong, I'm fucking wrong. Come on! You bitch. That might have been the bottom. No, I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting. I wanted to scalp it. And it bit me in the ass. Look. Bit me in the ass. Fuck. Bit in the ass. Going a little reckless, though. Oh, I don't want a fucking 100 points. Dang, I did so well. I just fucked it up. I did so well and I just fucked it up. It's do or die right here, though. Not do or die. Just walk away. Come on! Gotta be a sympathy pullback. Sympathy pullback. You little fucking bitch, bro. You're a fucking jerk off. Give me the sympathy pullback. The gap was filled. You're right. Just an asshole. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Such an asshole. You're a fucking big asshole. Damn. Still holding. Telling you, guys, sympathy bounce back. Come on. Fucking bitch. You motherfucker. I am trading a little reckless. I'm very green. I don't know why I don't stop. I'm up about five. Let's just say 580s, 560s in each funded. My apex I did crack. Just a 1K drawdown. Three sisters wants to fucking bounce, bro. If it comes down, it's gonna actually. I know it's like a sympathy bounce is what I wanted, but now it filled halfway. Should come back up. I feel like this could be the move. Don't know. Maybe we should take out half. If I were to be a smart man, I already have enough to get another 4Gs of payouts. If I just walk away and do the bare minimum for the next couple days. But you know how alpha daddy is.
Apple move will let Siri use. So Apple to open up Siri to rival AI assistants in strategic shift. Apple move will let Siri use chatbots besides OpenAI's ChatGPT. Siri changes parts of iOS 27 update set to be unveiled in June.
Beautiful pullback. Should rip up. But again, you know, the market hasn't done what we wanted to today, so Yeah, I'm just trying to scalp it. It should move up. Both areas are filled, so it's gonna decide. %2 club. We just got out of 2%. All those people probably bought it up. I'm pretty sure that's an investing strategy. 2% reduced buy for a investment. We're at 1.9798% on the day. $8.15. Those, I don't go too large. I don't really look. I only look if it's there, if that makes sense. Because, say, Mr. Dad, that price rips up fucking 500 points, and then it can come back down
Alphabet
and
shares
then
quickly
touch it.
extend decline.
And then you're still
Full
waiting.
spot 3%.
So I like it when it all lines up, but I don't look for it to be there. If that makes sense? But when they all line up, the stars look amazing, right? But I don't look for it to be there. Because there's so many factors in between. Yes, it will probably go there. Just, you know, the in-between, you're waiting. High or low, let's go. For the 30-second got rockets or something. If it doesn't, I'll be surprised. Probably doesn't because it's been just crazy lows. ICT? What? It's gonna rip up. Come on. It's deciding right now. Elbow's hurting from this thing. Should put a break even. We can't lose. Can't see it? Ah, because of the fucking thing. Gotcha. Gotcha. So maybe I should move that little box. I don't know where that would be good to put it. Maybe like a mid? It ain't me. Probably better, right? I'm gonna get stopped out anyway. Yep, I'm stopped out. Nah, this is MNQ. $4 fucking dollars? Are you kidding me? Watch me lose fucking 50,000. It ain't me. Yeah, but I'm not proud of it. I want to get the fucking payouts in the Apex to show you guys. Oh. I don't want to brag, but I made 4.50. Oh. So, just to put this in perspective, I'm down 2 Gs on Apex. turned Apex off, and I still got it to green. Still got it to green. Oh, man. So, I'm going to get off. I got to do a quick workout. Try to nap a little bit before I have my fucking 12-hour shift again. Tomorrow, I'm technically off. So I'm going to try to get up and fucking man up. I'm green. I can nap in peace, right? I am well, knock on wood, on track to get another fucking 4K payout. Apex, one day, Apex. I'm sorry, brother. The 1K gets me sometimes. You know why? I am trading a little reckless. I need to chill out, but today just pissed me the fuck off. Pissed me off. But that usually happens to me. I get a little reckless. I fucking make a lot of money. I take it out, and I'm feeling rich. You know? I'm feeling rich. I'm like, I gotta be well over 10 G's within 30 days. Cash. Payouts. Not fucking, if you want to count actual money, I'm up over 30. But I like to count the payouts until it hits my bank account. That's what I like to call out, you know what I mean? But Lucid, let's check out Lucid real quick. We are very good area. Let's go to the affiliate area. I need 94 fucking dollars before I'm a fucking G status with Lucid. Thanks, bastard. I'm not proud of the way I got there, though, guys. I'm not. I'm not. But guess what? Some of those people, they don't pay my bills, right? Probably, yeah. Mr. Dad, I mean, it did. It fucking fell. Yeah, I'm $94 away from doing the, Lucid, from letting me to give away a lot of counts all the time, which I'm fucking grateful for. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. I think that's gonna be fun. Even though we'll see eye to eye every trade. Hey, you know what? It's good to go back and forth, right, on what's going on. I'm sure you made money down here when you longed, and I made money in my short. So we both played out pretty good there. The thing is that we're seeing both. We're seeing both sides, and that's what the problem was today. There were so many different fucking angles of trading. So many fucking angles of trading. As long as we're both green, though, that's all I care about. Yeah, we're very close to fucking getting that unlimited giveaways. I'm excited for that. I get really pumped when I give away stuff to you guys. It makes me feel good inside. And I want you guys to fucking, you know, feel like you're getting shit back too, you know? So, very cool feeling. Other than that, Daddy's got to go fucking... No! Mr. Bastard, no! It was free! It's okay. At least it was free. Yeah, so if you're watching Lucid and Apex, two platforms that I use code BULLY, all cash, BULLY, to get the latest and greatest discounts. Lucid, we are so fucking close to doing unlimited giveaways. Fucking hyped. I'm hyped! Other than that, Daddy's gotta go take a fucking nap before his long shift. Good trading today. Psych! Psych! But we're green. We're green. I had to be aggressive. Not proud of it, but guess what? We're green.
Daddy, chill.
Other than that,
Holy Bears is out with doses.
I'm gonna be live tomorrow. If I'm a little late, just bear with me. I'm trying. Okay. New schedule. It's hard. I'll see you guys later. Adios, amigos and Oz. And be on time this time. Oh man, I'll try. I didn't get home to like 5:30 in the morning. Fucking sucked. See you guys later.